Guys, I'm just removing this thing here. I'm removing this, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. First, take the knob off. Okay? There's a couple sections in here. There's 2 screws there. There's a Phillips. Unscrew that. And you unscrew the other one. I think it's 2 of them there. On both sides, you then screw them. Okay, guys? Once you do that, oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. You help the channel tremendously. Okay? I'm just changing the doorknob. I'm putting a new one here. Does you guys need to do this? Well, some people will need somebody to do this. I went to Walmart and bought this for $12. This is $12 at Walmart. This is for $12 at Walmart, guys. He come with everything. The hole's already done. Make my life a lot easier. This is a doorknob. Why I pick this company? Because it was the cheapest one. No relation to the company. Have no clue what they do. I bought a lot of stuff from them. It's very cheap. This thing comes with a key. That's about it, guys. I'm just gonna take it out, take the old one, put the new one in there. Okay? Maybe you offset me this on the little. Oh, I have a screw. I have the thing. And then I can't move. I'm going to move it. Okay, guys, I'm going to head take this thing off. All the screw, everything fall apart. Good. Okay, done. Now on the side, there's a screw. There's a screw there too on the side. Yep, take it off. Dang, what kind of screw is this? Damn. Damn. Who the hell put this screw in there like this? What's it coming out? Wow. That's it. This is how easy to take it out. Okay, guys, this one, take it out. The key's on the other side. You got his own screw. He's on everything. So let's put this thing together, guys. We're gonna put this thing together. This is for the thing. This is already. I'm not gonna use this, guys. I'm not gonna use this because the frame already have it. I'm gonna use the screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna put this first one in there. Let's hoping it fits. Yes, it fits. Voila. That's the right way? No, the other way. You gotta make it fit that way, guys. This is how. You see how it is? This is gonna fit that way. When you go and close the door, it goes in like the door. Okay? Then we're gonna use a brand new screwdriver. Brand new screw we're gonna use. Is that the small one or the big one? This is the small one. Stick it in there. And voila. Yeah, we're gonna do this thing in less than 10 minutes. Damn, this is loose. That's been somebody changed this thing multiple times already. See how loose it is? One of them is good, the other one, this one is tight. This one is still loose. That's why they had this thing the other way. Okay. So this part gonna be inside, the other part gonna be outside. What? No, this thing gonna be outside. Okay, you gotta place it inside, guys. Okay, you gotta place it like this. This is what the key from outside. Doesn't matter. Can't see nothing. Can't see anything, man. Just gotta go inside there. Thank you. Now I can see. You gotta go inside. What? This thing is too small? No, I put it in the wrong place. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's it. You guys see what I did? Did you guys see what I did? I pushed this thing first. Let me repeat it again. Again, push this thing first, move this thing in the middle, and jiggle it in there. It will go right in it. And you gotta release this. You gotta release this. It goes in there. And you do the same thing for the back, guys. Okay, guys, you see the long screw? That's one I'm gonna use on the other side. Okay, I put one here, and I'm trying to connect it. Guys. I don't know if you guys can see this thing. Let me show you guys. Okay. See, guys, there's two holes there. I'm gonna try to squeeze this thing to put it in there. Okay. I can't do this thing on camera because I gotta hold the phone, all the stuff. I'm gonna put it inside. You see? Let me show you. This screw gonna go right there. Right there. The other one gonna go right there. I gotta try to fit it in. And that will be the end of the story, guys. Let me go ahead and pause the video and try to do it. Put him screwdriver there. Go. Once you put one in there, you have the one to fit the other one in there. It's coming down? Yeah, it's going down. It's going in. Guys, I got one done. I'm gonna get the other one done, guys. Okay? This is as simple as it is. This is not a big deal. You know, if you've never seen this, anybody done it before. Once you put one in there, the other one gonna go right in there. Well, más fácil de todo. No, así te va a poner en la video, ¿verdad? Okay, guys, that's it. It's locked. This is locked. Let's try the key if you can open with the key. Okay. This is the key, guys. $12. Okay, you see, it's unlocked. It's unlocked, guys. Okay, let's see if you can lock it this way. You see, the back is done. This is how you like it. This is how you like it. How much this thing cost me, guys? $0. I knew how to do it. Because I know how to do this thing, I'm sharing with you guys. You don't have to send somebody to come and do this thing for you. It's simple. If you have a door like this is how you put it. All you get is a Phillips screwdriver, and the thing comes with everything. Okay? So I'm gonna take the key. So this is that easy, guys. This thing costs $12 at Walmart. If I have no relation with Walmart, that just it's not too far from me. I can go get it. Okay. I was looking for something for $12. I didn't get something for $12. Okay. That's the end of the story, guys. Lock, unlock, and this is done. This is done, folks. Now you have it. If you don't know how to put it together, then watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously. Okay? Alright, guys. See you then.